Sea urchins are fascinating marine invertebrates, known for their spiny, globular bodies. They belong to the class Echinoidea within the phylum Echinodermata, which also includes starfish, sea cucumbers, and sea lilies. Key features. The hard, calcareous shell of a sea urchin is called a test. It's typically round and covered in spines. These movable spines serve various purposes: protection, deter predators; locomotion, aid in slow movement; feeding trapped drifting algae for food. Tiny tube-shaped feet extend between the spines. They help in movement, crawling along the seafloor; food capture, grasping and manipulating food; attachment, holding onto the substrate, a complex jaw-like structure located on the underside of the sea urchin's body. It's used for feeding, scraping algae and other food from surfaces; excavation, creating burrows or hiding places in rocks or coral. Sea urchins exhibit radial symmetry, typically with five-fold symmetry, pentamerism. Habitat and distribution found in all oceans, from shallow coastal waters to the deep sea. They inhabit various environments, including rocky shores, sandy bottoms, kelp forests, and coral reefs. Feeding habits. Most sea urchins are herbivores, grazing on algae. Some species feed on detritus, which is decomposing organic matter. A few species are carnivores, preying on other invertebrates. When it comes to reproduction, most sea urchins reproduce sexually. They release eggs and sperm into the water column, where fertilization occurs externally. The fertilized eggs develop into free-swimming larvae. These larvae then undergo metamorphosis, transforming into adult sea urchins. Sea urchins can be keystone species, meaning they play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem. Their grazing can influence the distribution and abundance of algae. Some species create burrows or excavate hiding places, altering the physical structure of their habitat. Sea urchins are also a food source for various marine animals, including sea otters, fish, and birds. Overfishing of sea urchins can disrupt their populations and impact marine ecosystems. Coastal development and pollution can destroy sea urchin habitats. Ocean acidification and warming, driven by climate change, can affect sea urchin growth, reproduction, and survival. Establishing marine protected areas can help conserve sea urchin populations and their habitats. Implementing sustainable harvesting practices can ensure the long-term viability of sea urchin fisheries. Continued research and monitoring of sea urchin populations and their ecosystems are essential for effective conservation. Sea urchins are fascinating creatures that play important roles in marine ecosystems. Understanding their biology, ecology, and the threats they face is crucial for their conservation and the health of our oceans.